Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Socratic by Google app. So let's get started right away. Now if you open up the Socratic by Google app and sign in to your account, you will be taken into the homepage where you can take a picture or type in a text prompt and also use your voice to search for any answer. Now if you wish to delete your account, you can tap on the menu icon at the top left corner, but you will not find any option related to this. So in order to delete your account, simply tap on the send feedback option, and then you can tap on the get started button to proceed with your feedback. Now within this option, you can type in your text prompt and simply let them know that you want your account to be deleted on the Socratic app. You can also tap on the speak your issue option and then explain that you don't find the option to delete your account anywhere within the Socratic AI app. After typing in your message, you can tap on the send option at the bottom right corner, and this will send your feedback to Google right away. You can also search for the Socratic app on the Play Store, and after locating the app, you can tap on the app support menu to send your feedback or question as well, using your email application directly. And there you have it. That is how you can proceed forward with deleting your account on the Socratic application by Google. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.